Earthquake.
Finds, as far as Mr. Davis clearly affirms that he had been arrested for traffic tickets. The court will deny the motion for mistrial.
Whoa, earthquake! Oh god! Oh god.
A severe tragedy happened earlier today in Kobe, Japan. One of our reporters, Ryan Bitchoff, is there on the scene to give us some information about what happened.
Ryan, what did the area's geography look like, and which tectonic plates was it on?
The city of Kobe, Japan is long and narrow and is wedged in between coast and mountains. It is also located at the intersection of the Eurasian, Pacific, and Philippine plates.
Interesting. James, what did the tectonics plates do during the earthquake?
Well, as Brian said earlier, Kobe is located on the triple conjunction of the Eurasian plate, the Pacific plate, and the Philippine plate. This is also located on oceanic continental convergent boundary. The oceanic plate subducted under the continental plate.
Ah, cool. Ryan, what was the magnitude of this disaster?
Magnitude of this disaster in Kobe, Japan was 6.9. Although it only was 20 seconds long, it caused a lot of damage.
That is just crazy. James, what was the damage and impact of the earthquake in Kobe?
Well, 6,456 people were killed and 2,600 were seriously injured. 200,000 buildings collapsed and 68 children younger than 18 were orphaned. Within 5 weeks, there were 50 aftershocks, and there was $102 billion total damage of property loss and whatnot.
Horrible. Ryan, what were the details of the relief efforts needed to help the victims?
Well, Kobe is the 5th largest city in the world, so lots of help was needed. Over 100,000 troops around the world were sent to Japan, and there were 1.2 million volunteers sent to help the population of 1.5 million.
Here are some photos of the disaster.
And here are some videos.
Friday, everybody's looking forward to the weekend. Friday, getting down on Friday. Everybody's looking forward to the weekend. Partying. Looking forward to the weekend. We're driving on the highway, cruising so fast, I want time to fly. Fun, think about fun. You know what it is. I got this, you got this. My friend is by my right. Hey, I got this, you got this. Now you know it. Kicking in the front seat, sitting in the back seat. Gotta make my mind up. Which seat can I take? It's Friday. Gotta get down on Friday. Everybody's looking forward to the weekend. Friday.
Concludes our forecast for today. Bye,
Bye.
guys.
Bye!